reception?
Alright, we catch your ring. Just say hello and the reception. Talk what the reception.
Can't hear mom, can't. I go closer to where reception is.
Alright, action.
Hello, mommy? I can't hear. Let me go closer to the Wi-Fi.
Alright, good. That's so that's good.
I just happened a while ago.
Oh, Shan just called her mother overseas and told her that she and Ricky plan to sell the house. Luckily, Shan's mother is very supportive, so her mother was like, whatever you want to do, as long as you're happy. So me now, being her cousin, jealous and not as privileged, I was like, I saw auntie love you. Damn, I wish I was as privileged as that.
But Rena have to establish the fact that she get some money from some source, and the source where she get her money from is her mother, because I don't know her man and the amount of her money, so we have to establish that in our movie. So we just establish a call with the mother and she.
Oh, my time? Movie time for me. You want to film? You can't film?
Yeah, I did the laundry today.
Differently do anything, they fold up clothes or some money, you should have make me, you know. They can't give me some money, you can't get some money from your mother.
Good. Repeat that.
Differently do, you know. They fold up clothes or some money, you should have make me, you know. Give me some money, man. You can't get some money from your mother.
So much money when I get last week.
I'm not talking about that. Why when... I'm can't always that straight from the topic. Get some money, give me. Get some money from your mother.
Well, you already said that. What happened to the money I gave last week? Really?
So what happened to money when I get last week?
I know that I talk to you about, man.
Alright, no talking!
Nice control.
No talking!
You know, it's a little jam, you know, and I was wondering if you can send me some money.
I'm not understanding. So, what happened to the house that you just sold?
You know, I'm not ready to start the business as yet because, you know, I watch the trends and everything. So I put the money in on fixed deposit. So I don't really have access to it now. But the money is there, it's in a bank. I just never want to go to it. So you can send it for me?
How much do you need?
You can send me 500.
Oh, okay. I'll try
You
to
can send 1,000.
1,000.
Yeah. No problem.
Okay. I'll try to send it next week.
Alright. Alright, mommy, thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
A 900 out of 1,000.
You see position where you put me in?
Yeah, 900 where you need no money, you can always call them back so easy and give you $1,000. Can $900.
I feel like that's so easy she give me, but wait until she start to ask questions here.
I start out with things. You ask him for 500 and I tell her 1,000. Me get, man get the money, man. No much of that at strike.
Very good? So movie around 3 hours to look at. I don't mean I still have so long still.
You know, so long, but just start cut it down.
Yeah, I'm by the time I start
I
cutting
think
the
she's
fry.
still there.
Hello? Alright, what Papa I did? We brought...
Look what she's done. Take that out there, man. So, kudos, camera girl.
So you want, so you know, wait, so we're gonna do scene when we meet? Or what?
Max first. First. Because no one just said that, but I don't know.
Ask him.
You know about no scene when I'm acting me.
Sir, behind the camera. People in front of the camera. Screen. Blondie, back at it.
This wig is hella tight. So what's up?
You tell us.
Why do I look like this? May I play a girl who feel like say things like this when our dark skin hot.
Okay. If you could change one thing about your life, anything, what would you change?
how much I'm making.
Your turn. It can't be the same answer.
Say how much money I have now.
Similar.
Definitely cheap.
Same thing.
Okay, I want to be from point A to point B. Yo, I always want to fly now. Somebody should look for me.
Flying.
I wish I could fly.
I'm scared of heights.
I wouldn't be scared of heights if I could fly.
Alright, so yeah. After a while, it's come like the same thing I do over and over in terms of speeches, but we always do a brand new movie, so this is nothing different. Just do a brand new movie. That one I can have a little different concept where I try to highlight Jamaica in all facets. From the negative side to the positive side, plus the beauty.
Zaza.
Yeah.
I hold this over here, so. Burn it down flat. What you have to say to the people, man, I'm a general?
Just stay tuned.
Just stay tuned.
Talk to normal, but.
Hi, my name is Shawang. Shawang.
She's Chinese?
My mother was an Indian and my father was a Chinese.
Oh, it's so. What go on?
Yeah, I know.
What happened? Yeah, I can move over there though.
River vibes, you know what I mean?
River vibes.
Update to the public report.
Hold on, man. Me
Yeah.
say if I act there, actor.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Oh, Zine. What kind of role I play?
You know, so not even know, but we have to work with it.
I miss.
See that?
Hello.
Oh, you so busy?
Never gone at a bus.
I want to see I'm going to give you.
Step on them ball.
Shoot.
Heartless and cold.
Heartless and cold.
Story.
So, public reporter, you say you act today?
Yeah, man, after I go on today, you know what I mean? Like, new thing, new vibes. Check it out, you know what I mean? Like, go nice. Right?
Oh, Zine.
Right?
Right.
Oh, Jano. Hello.
Oh, yeah.
No, I'm not record that.
Record it.
No. Come and tell me about your movie where you act.
Well, thank you all for subscribing and watching the movie with me. I love you all. I've been seeing the comments.
Boyfriend, which one?
No, well, I'm your man. I'm your man. You sell it to Juta win you.
So you know that
Then
I'm
Juta control you. And then
And
now
then
you meet
sell
him
me
on the
some
beach.
banana man.
You meet him on the beach now. Yeah, so at that time now you start move up on the all board. And he fall in love with you.
Okay.
Yeah, he fall in love.
Meeting is what kind of
You
meeting?
fall in love too?
Well, she on the beach are us, you know.
Hustle.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
so like he come and he get to a little, he just do a little business and
Budget
fall in
meeting,
love.
a budget meeting.
Budget meeting.
Yeah, financial, you know what I mean?
Do a
Yeah.
little budget meeting and fall
Read
in love.
about me, like cleaner, you know what I mean? I'll be there.
Nothing is wrong with that.
Classifieds. I'll be there.
It's a normal nigger situation.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Rent a direct today.
Rory! Yo, Wagwan! Yo, Wagwan! May I come? Yo, Wagwan.
Yo, me are serious with you now forward.
Me know say you never come and buy a field, you know. But I could come. Sister ready their manners for the yard.
No man, and not that. I said serious than that. When me there bargain, my father call me, I would believe when tell me say.
So your father call her to say,
Father tell me say me not to left out the yard. To avoid bargain, and me avoid bargain. He go buy one PlayStation 3 for me and one of my friend and he said, who me fi buy from? I tell him say, I want one for you.
you too lie, your father not buy no PS3.
God no true thing. Me run from bargain and come run as I say something happen. I think tell me yesterday.
When you say I'm gonna get them?
No, I know. He said if you avoid bargain, so me avoid bargain come on PS3.
Alright, remember what you say no? Remember what you say? I go up now, no. Because mommy no like me come out there, so no. Not TV so, I go up.
Alright, me I can go down to you now if I not lick more.
Oh, Juta, give me a look for now. Give me a look for.
So I didn't know you.
say a brown man down the road see me and say I want to see you from window.
So the brown man I look for me for, brother. Brown man I look for me for. Tell me something up, person. Tell me something.
So my youth, I'm link the other day upon this man that will link back. How you see the nurse just lose so?
Brother, don't lick fire upon that already. That the man the way I talk about joke thing that, brother. That the man they not strap you, that the man they just used to drive feet. And me, you make me I go tell her me youth say me go buy a PlayStation just to stay in her yard. Brother, that's soft man youth. Soft done.
So you say, you sure say everything good? Cause that the girl there, you know, normal girl from high school, you know, that girl they will slap out people brain right knowing. You understand? So you sure say everything good? Make sure, so you're sure now, say everything good.
My youth.
You understand? Make sure.
When the girl they come there, you see her with no strap. Them not no strap.
So alright then, you have a strap now?
Me never left it yet.
Chuta, I know say I have a strap but I never see it. I see him to she could have her strap, but I never see it. You get to me and say my father.
I understand what you're saying now. But you don't talk to fire, you know. All that, you know. Fire me I work with, you see me? Man said that lost my youth, so I like that. You see me, I live and pray about that. And my youth, PlayStation money me I pray about right now. You see me? So you can go and stress out yourself over that. I'm good. You hear that?
That's a general. Still, fire not God, you know. You can't see everything. You understand? Right now, I'm good enough to cause someone loose. Now go and really understand. So we link up.
Yeah, well, man.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Your name is Christ?
Yes.
So it you them really out to say your grandson them though?
Yeah man, I'm my grandson. What happened?
I don't know how to tell you this now, you know. But you see your grandson them.
Yes.
You have to send me them.
Send them my grandson. For what? Why me must send them when now?
One. You see Jota, the serious man, you know. You're not fine. You understand?
Yeah.
And no one around. You understand?
You understand.
So that's why I'm not sure to say. Because send me where you can send me. But no one no trouble. You understand my son? Give me that day body now, give me a nice buzz now. You know no more weed. You can't give me face more. Like that.
I'm not getting no more weed, bad man. I just give you a biz bag. And you not pay for the weed them. Last week me give you weed. Yesterday me give you weed. This morning up in 1 o'clock me give you weed, and just a while ago me give you weed. Brother, you're too greedy, brother. I'm paying for the man weed. Nah laughing no bad man. Acha.
You can keep it changed too, you know.
Oi! What is? You still owe me. What is?
So how much more you? How much more you then? How much more you?
See, I write it down and it say you Cougar. You owe 12 grand and you give me 5, so that's 7 grand that. You know what? See boss here. Me gonna need it.
What go on where?
There in a car park. Oh yeah, I have everything you know. Guess what? Kinda short, you see. But watch out now.
Can tell you what one, you see it one youth, you see man. Me I tell you, say, be a foolish, you see me going and go round.
Yeah, how much you have now? You hear me now, Ria?
Yeah.
You hear me now, Ria? You say if I never Ricky or your father, you must deal with it like one of them regret the outer road, you know. But here, you're one good girl, you know. So I know you have to put your thing together still, because here one now. At first, I really come up short still, you know. First, I really come up short. I open on that red board there when I see you sit down with, you know. Just open on that red board there, you know. Because them board there, some boy love sit down and smoke weed, you know.
Yeah.
You see me? They love to sit down and smoke weed, but anyway, I hear a place and I hear I run it still, you know. Because you don't know, say, you know, and every one of them will really come up with their money same time still. So I'm not going to really pressure as when I say, first, you're really short. You see me? First, you're really short. So, as when I tell you, say, your father is a good man, you know. And he was good to we went out young too, so I'm not going to really make you feel in the bargain, you see me? But here, put your thing together, everything now, man, you see me? Mess up yourself, man.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
Yeah.
Oh, Rhea! Watch out, man. I met this a shot, this a trip, you know. So just, you know if you deal with it, and you just put the rest upon that, and you know, so it come down, you see me? Yeah, man, let's go and run the place, man. Right now, I have to call the boss and deal with the boss, because you don't know. You see me? You big up yourself here, man. You shout, you hear that? One thing.
Mama, forward now. You till you get back your money. Forward, man. You move like you don't want to forward, so.
Listen to me. I only deal with customers who pay me. Customers but take out them money set time when me take out the weed set time. You need to come off my sidewalk. You know see what I get brusky now. You want it? Get up, man.
You
and find something to do.
Say, me go look something to do with my life. Me are your customer. You may buy weed from. Where you want the weed for your life?
I don't want you to feel like a style, me a style you. Like a people things me I deal with, and me have to get out of it for food and for my education and for myself. Now, like you, with the and people things, and me have to use it for food. Me have to take out time for myself, for food, education, and myself. And I like you with the pants. And I like you when I work and do nothing. You need to get up and push yourself and try to something. Sit down on sidewalk is just a hobby. It's not a career, sir. Selling weed is a career either, but it's something I do.
You can't tell me how to live my life. My life not affect you or nobody. You can't tell me how to live my life. I want to just smoke weed. Sit down and all the vibes every day.
You know what?
Here, I'll get the money. Just give me weed.
You alright where you there. Just let me get my money so we can get the people them. We can get my part.
What go on, Peter? Yeah, man. Watch out now. The thing that go short, you know. Yeah, man, cause watch out now. The little cat there when me have a hold it down on the south block. Yeah, Rhea. Yeah, man, she come up short, man. Anyway, at first she ever come up to short still, you know. She good, man, a good girl, man. We don't have to bump her off or nothing general. She good, man. I tell you, she good, man. You hear me I say no Peter, man. She good. When I tell you, she good, she good. A long time she run this to me, you know, man.
Right, Miss Cross. Because I failed to pay 2 deadlines that have now passed, your student loan has now increased by 500,000 and you need to pay now.
I don't have that, you know. I don't have it.
Right, man, but you do go alone and you need to...
Yes, I understand that. I understand that. So, yeah, yes, but that no means if we just raise it up. Hello?
Cameraman, what you do? You don't see a lockdown time I come?
It doesn't matter, we still have to work.
Police them down there say, you know.
I say higher powers to be there, alright, damn well fed, you know, so we have to feed ourselves.
Alright, Mr. Brown.
I'm most around this side, Mama said the boy. Yo, Oscar. Come here.
What I say, what go my general?
Oscar.
Yeah.
Why I really have to talk to you again, you know? Right now, me and your granny I said they want to fire you from your workplace. How I go on up there? What go on with you?
Yo, Jack. Sometimes I not like tell mama certain things, you know, because mama love blow things out of proportion, you know. You understand? But so I get fire, but I not get no fire, you know. See it? I said big on that I go up at hotel. I don't really want to talk it. That's why you see me a little low.
So, how could I not go on up there, sir?
I'm going to show you a pray. Go on up at hotel there. See? Yo, you see the little catty when I walk around with the little broad, short catty?
Yeah, man. That little catty the way. Now you're a catty where you and I come on the other day.
Yeah, Jack. Same short girl. You know, so the other day, he must show me a prayer. What happened to him up at hotel? I tell me, say, boss, hold him down, brother.
Bumbo clot. And that I go on up there. And your granny come tell me, say, you want to get fire. You see them boss boy. And them something they really go on with up there.
That's it. And I don't know what to tell she if you do. If you tell him to go to station.
Alright, you are. Because you see them things cost life, you know. Cost life. You see me? Because you want to know, it's up at the hotel there. A whole palico carry go bring come.
Ja, I don't plan to keep a secret of ever, you know.
Your granny things are fire you out forget, you know. Granny things are fire you out forget. So, here you are going. You just have to lay low. You see me? Because you are. I think I think the thief up there. Because just that me kind of let that hear about, but this serious. So you just go and lay low.
You understand? But I go and figure out how to do the same way. You understand? But anyway, I will go to my yard, I will deal with something. I will link up soon, you hear me?
I will catch up with the eye and talk again. I have one little thing up my yard to deal with, so we catch up and come on. You hear that?
So you do down here, so look how long I look for you. We are the right test and I look for you how long, eh? What you do down here, so what am I take it down here, so?
Sis, I go through some whole heap of things right now. You would understand some whole heap of things I go through.
Anyways, if your phone on the yard and your workplace I call you and I get you, and remember, you say any you lose the work, I don't know what you are going to do for take care of yourself. I don't know what you are going to do for get a job.
Danica, him rape me.
What? What you talk about?
See, Mr. Johnson, the man up on my workplace, from a day, I realized say, I be a night shift for my give me and And night time I go in my office, him ever job things for my bend over and take it up. And most time I take up the things in him job, I catch him a look for me. Till one night, but day I'm end up in my office.
Hello.
Boy, I try to get to you from this morning. I call your phone, and many times I call your phone.
They up on the work, my boy. You know where you go.
Yeah, man, me that try to get to the eye, man, because you want me, I know. Me have a little thing when I want you really scoop round for me. Yeah. Remember that little bridge in there one when I tell you to work up at the hotel, man. For me little hygiene youth, you don't know because the youth, them always come to me when they have certain little problem, and me all just reason with them.
You know where you go, you have to do it.
You see me? It's a serious thing towards what him said to me, you know, but here what? Yeah, I'm a virgin and I really like some more you go lock up nobody. But more you give you the best advice for you think would I know if you deal with this thing. You know say, he must show me a vibe say, the boss up at the hotel, hold long him woman.
Rape. What you say to me? So you no report it?
No man, we never really want to make no report it. You see me, that's how I call you. We kind of find out what we can do for kind of. You see me, if we take her money, if she can take her money off of him or cool her down her.
No man, that man if you go and go report it, man. What you say, man? We don't have to go report it. He told them, go report it. And that the man they up at that hotel, you know, if you know because that man is heavy, you know. Yeah man, that man is heavy, man, so if you know the same way. Yeah man, make them go report it.
Alright, my general. Yeah man. Give thanks for answer the call, man. We link, man. Don't worry yourself, man. Yes, my general. Yes, my general. Alright. Maybe give you a call the next few days time from now. John, what is man? What is?
I'm bend over and take it up, and I him that I see what I'm from behind. And I say, Mr. Johnson, what you do? And he might force up himself for me. I might try to get away from him. And he will on for me. And then he just start tear off my clothes. Alright.
So we tell, you go to the police, I tell the police?
Well, I tell my boyfriend and I tell him to hold it down because nobody not going to believe. Because they don't want to say Mr. Johnson have him wife and this and that. And I'm confused, girl. So I'm not really go to the police then yet. Or send it to nobody more than my boyfriend.
Come on, because this now go so.
Now we are film.
Why?
Them are the movie. So if you go up on Richard Brown Films on your phone, you will see it. No, serious. Like movies, Jamaican movies. Yeah. So, boss over there, Saudi. Oh, look like a brown man and the other girl in my films, them man.
Not really want to nobody hold hand anymore?
No.
Other thing said nobody don't hold hand. But don't look weird, the night sun hot with this like some mad people.
Go on, come here, go I may ask her why she have on weed and it's a sun hot there, you know.
So Richie, you're not afraid like when you have on your mask or nothing?
Master, yeah, I'm afraid of what?
Eh?
COVID.
Amount of people are there now.
COVID.
Listen,
I joke, my mask not here, I go for my mask.
My mask not here, but you know people.
Let me go for... No, I'm not unroll, I put on the mask. Rest your camera. Mr. Lawrence now unroll. But I might not hear me too clear now, but hello. Police are still about the place. Ask him about the camera and how it works. What go on, my boss? Yeah, we're finding out about the camera. So, that's in the camera. We have no movies yet, we can look on that
No,
been shot
this is
with
the
this?
first one we actually have a shoot. We need some more batteries, so we can have technical time with it, but I use it to shoot that one, the first one.
Alright, so what experience using the camera?
It's nice. It really feel like, you know, when you have a brand new toy,
Yeah.
you can play with, feel good.
Yeah.
So long as you take the change, man.
This sun red down here, people, so don't let come down here without a bucket of water. Hot and miserable. One bag of lockdown business. What you mean, Andrew? Go and do it. So, Mr. Brown, meanwhile, we go and wait for the actress for change. Tell what go on. What kind of movie this you shoot?
Well, I think it's one of them typical Caribbean type story. You know, of struggle.
Okay.
You know, of one, a struggle from a female perspective in terms of all the abuse and family struggle we then go through.
Oh.
So it's a story based upon that, and I think it's very relatable. A lot of females who've been through the same situation now can relate to it.
Okay. Alright, so I hear that. Go and look forward to that movie.
How long does it take to change one shirt?
I don't know. I wait for actress for change, people. No, sir. A while ago, I see her kick up her foot them in the ear. She did this are change, people. Watch him a ball out and I fit up with them. And I probably can't see her friends. So I'm zoom some more, see if I can see. See her there.
Yeah, it's here. Right the boss.
Get on forward. The favor massacre like. Whoa. Hey, my friend. You can't vex with me, you know. I feel me I plan my infringe pan and mama. You're going like say, oh, I me do the thing. I don't me do it, man. Days and face. Come hurry up the people, I'm sure. She want to go take pictures for the beach, people. Fret, you. So we have followed them. Anywhere they ain't go with them, I go with them.
Everywhere I went to, man.
Oh, right, I can't go in and people in my film.
Hold on, don't walk up your neck. Hold on. Should I use to them? Them love it over so.
You say people nowadays no hug up. No hold hand and hug up. We get a look on the 6K screen here, people. If we can make out nothing on it. I can't see nothing from here, so.
You say you're not used to them hold hands. A basic school people hold hands?
Try to get a look on the screen. Alright, so your town still people well busy. That are going on in the girl town. Huh?
Alright, where put that again? Where the part? Where the stop? Where the stop? Come back again, man. You don't want to stop for.
Money on the side.
You have a mask. You have a mask. I look at the man here for the number one.
You have to call the people in brown man, you don't call them.
I for the number, brother. What the number on them phone? What's it like?
I'm come out of people I'm seeing.
How are you have video?
Video. Mama, smile.
Alright. Don't mind me getting money out there. I want to do that. Come here. I want to. Ready?
Hey, you take this up.
No. Go for a mask.
Look at that.
No, a mask in my car.
Height me a van.
No, more than one mask in my car.
John was star.
Out here, hot like a fire, brother.
So, as you can see people, the sun a deal with me one way. One time I can walk go back up. And still.
I'm fully protected.
A vaccine you forgot to take. Why name of that cake place, Richie?
OMG.
OMG?
Oh my god.
Yeah, so people with the inside of this pastry place named OMG Negro. So, Mr. Holden, a Black Forest this?
This one? Black Forest.
How much is a slice of Black Forest?
500.
Oh, yeah, what about cake or ice cream?
Yeah, Black Forest.
Well, where is he?
Hey, no. I want to get every mess up on if I do over this scene. So I'm going to feed him ice cream or what?
No, I change up.
Hold on, me. I want to know what bird feeding or what.
No, it's a regular feeding. We're not over it.
And that means say.
Me can't ask question.
It sounds like fire or whatever.
Don't do that. Come on.
So we're looking at this first?
Yeah, we're looking at it. And then probably find for one.
Yeah, that can.
Yeah, but step forward. You step forward. Right, stay side out.
Okay, blue nose people.
Point forward, ready?
Miss, how much is Black Forest?
Black Forest cheesecake is $5.20.
Come on, good man. Now get some chatting. Where's
What is this? Is it good?
Yeah, you're good. Alright.
The one outside is good too?
Yeah, I'm just getting a walk.
What you mean, brown man?
No, we're doing it.
Get your wife a Black Forest cake.
I don't need no party.
Black Forest cheese or Black Forest?
Black Forest cheese.
Black Forest cheese.
Cheese.
Please. Listen, after me make my plan, so me I go on beach go take picture.
What do you tell them already?
This Rasta man come talk with we are gonna shoot video. And that never in my vocabulary, in my
So when I come up and stare at this and talk, no?
I don't want to come up in my face.
But if I come up, it's going in your face. Alright, go man. You just catch your hand. You know, catch your face in there, man. Unless you want.
Nothing.
Okay.
You know just like three of them, mom.
You have to read the camera, you run for the camera, brother.
She don't want famous.
Take have the money on and push it here. Take out your hand. Put the money here. Put the money here. What are you going to put the gear on it?
No, shower, she never
That's good, that's good. Wait, kick, ready on time.
Give her one more, please.
What's that thing there, miss?
What?
Is it that oven?
Yes, it is.
No, it's an oven.
You start by the same business and we see. Ready to get it now? Hey! I can't get some already.
Put me radio. See guys.
May I talk to?
No, sir.
Oh, come on, sound so loud.
See them. Oatmeal raisin. I got 3 oatmeal, yeah?
Here you go.
This thing is here.
Alright, so let's go kitchen off then. So when you come out, you just go so. Here. When you come out, you go so.
Pretty piece of corona. Yo, and I think them will never get old to me people. I like when, you know, normal people, because if you're not creative, you're normal to me. My opinion. When normal people walk on a pass and us, them will look for a kind of way. And then, I just hear one old man over there, so I fuss. Say, oh, you don't know what them money are doing in camera.
I'm not going to video with the mask.
Andrew.
Yeah, my dance machine made. Ready?
Andrew, Mr. Brown, say.
Because she don't use it, nobody open door.
No, I didn't leave any cookie.
How am I not catch that? Hey, look up ahead.
Come back, man. Chop. The room up in the middle and lick up come back. Alright, ready? Ready?
Yeah, police, them are coming up. The police officers are coming. So, me a scoot. You see me? Can't take no longer cars now.
Alright, ready? My father lens.
Yeah.
Almost got here. One. So you have to put some in there.
Yo, give me a piece of that black pepper and a black pepper. Come on.
Black pepper. Would I burn things that are tough?
Comes the burger. Right here.
If you are orange, you can't go boom, girlie.
Not ask him.
Yes, no, I'm
So people look like I this for the shoot, this for the behind the scenes as well. Yeah, I bought it that. So I guess I just some like a miscellaneous around the town, the busy town and all that.
Where bus there? Where bus there? Right. Yeah, sure. Like taxi business rough.
Yo, we're going to have it now. I'm going to go and go to the grill spot there, you know.
Alright, where have you man?
Just go do it.
Shoot me a shot. I work going, yeah. That's up.
Why the old school though?
Yeah. They really look at the small though.
But the quality is terrible.
Yeah man, the quality nice man. Especially for edit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Bad man.
You look, put the camera up on face.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Fight, you gonna fight me. Massacre little sister.
You lick out your hand already, you know?
The man in the lick your hand though.
But I better take a camera out of my face. You go fuck that there.
I feel like I'm a war if a man box my DSLR out of my hand. If I don't find the funny man, you want war. Would I fight?
The brown man can't walk around there. And the Becky and the Bonnie and the cats.
Alright, so when you go over there and film them, you want 15 minutes out of my phone out of it.
Yes, I know, Mr. Brown.
I'll tell someone you want 15 minutes with my phone, VPS, I'm done.
Oh, the bad iPhone. Oh yeah, pose up and I'll do.
But still I want the camera in my face.
Take off, tap touch my lens now. I don't touch your lens now. Tell like a maga about it. We're up on the beach now, people, but I don't think I'm going to do much recording because we have music playing in the background. I don't want that video to get demonetized. And then the wind sound, I know the wind from the breeze fully for distortion, so probably just make this in a B-roll, like just B-roll everything here. So visuals and music, probably. This is what we're going.
Yes,
no, I want to call no, sir.
Oh, tap, hold on.
My friend said, they can't stay in the water too long, you know. Big up you. Big up you, friend.
Only upper body, me I say. I'm not show them nothing.
Don't video me. Come on to my face.
Say you love walk up in the camera, say man. Watch him. Alright, so I saw them do the shooting.
Send me the police if I'm busy with nothing. No, I think that minute say. When you me the police and how my mindset stay. Come my girl. I don't care about nothing. People are out in a curfew and do them up.
Here, brother, sing me, girl.
Alright, so you don't consider.
No, girl, I'm too heavy for you.
Wait. It almost yes. You see like. The camera put on check the line to start.
Oh, so doing 6K Pro, yeah.
Alright, so this is a camera enough to run and gun at you.
May I say this camera was made, I hope you plan for third man.
Production
camera. Yeah, long before you turn on, you have to plan for turn on.
Yeah man, it's a production camera, it's not a run and gun camera.
This camera is not, don't waste my time. Make sure you know you want to shoot.
I'm going to buy one next day, start and this is a serious product. I don't like the fact that you're the man take out and all the
No, here we go.
You sit down too much. Stop.
We have to take up Alton style. How we do? Must have everything?
Yeah.
Take up Alton dirty style.
So walk out traffic when I'm batty.
When you man shoot with them. Right now, and action. It's like when I have the police at the chance on Richard Brown to the hat.
Yeah.
You know, I like when I whisper in her ears and she's smiling. You want to see me? I don't know what you tell us.
But I don't like Hewa. I'm like Hewa.
See me, man. Yeah.
That's worse.
Alright, so I'm want to do. Should I with that sunlight and down the sun, put on the side, two on the wall and face each other. And get close. What? Yeah, go on down the sun now.
What is this? Is Shakespeare?
Might as well. Come, go down there. But this is Shakespeare. You want a stone. Well, this is Shakespeare.
Yeah, you got that shit.
They say you want to walk and shake your ass. You just back right up on him back.
And that man, same too.
Give me right after here, right after here. But I need that one, I lift her up, like so. You want to lift up there? Yeah. The man ready? The man, go on. Yeah, spin her. Alright, what do you mean? Yeah.
Let's take him and dash him in the water now. Let's dash him off in the water.
Put him in the water, don't throw him in the water. Can't find out for your back.
Brown man come like him free the water. Saying can't go in the water. What? Where's it? My ass spread no room. What's that?
Alright, good, that good. Alright, if you're going in the water, go in the water. Hey, carry don't lift up nothing there, carry?
Nope.
Push up here.
Nothing there.
Yo, if you're going in the water, go in the water and then no, we can ready and go.
May I go and wait for now to say, man? Later. Bye. Bye.
Oh, Dad. The other girl. Bad.
Oh, we never go in.
Me could have been your mother. Look, by the way, look here. I told me I know your mother make you feel sick and talk to me anyhow. Hmm?
No man, Candy never bad things to say. She make you say what she has said.
Can't stop me.
Hold on, no, you could know what man. Me know.
Okay, start over.
So, where's your?
You did say last part that if I chew, she and her mother.
Find there, so.
Right.
Alright. I told me I know your mother make you feel sick and come talk to me like that. Me could have been your mother. I am your stepmother and you need to talk to me with respect. You hear me? Make it be the first and the last you say Candy. Is either you say Auntie Candy or Miss Candy, whatever. X out the candy, me ain't no size. You understand? Okay. I know manners.
Cut. Here we are now. Candy.
Hey, them they talking them me feel like good about nothing.
You see, come here and say, oh, that part there, come in and look how she hook me up.
No, do it all the time. Go back for her. I face that expression and Candy attack for her. When me there think, she say yes, Miss Candy. I feel it up.
Wait, no, let me hear what you say.
I feel you know what me there think? You know what me there think a while ago? So, I don't know what kind of stepmother you be. But if I am bad step, kind of one good stepmother, but kind of bad stepmother. Me would answer to her and say, alright, start over now. Go and come back again. So we are send you back there. So we are send you back there so and we can come back again.
Alright, we are here. Alright, so
No, she already move it, man. Catch the last part. But don't shoot it from the angle, Alton. Shoot it from the next angle.
Should you say?
No, but don't shoot it from the angle.
Richie? Start back from...
No, but not you.
Oh,
I'll love it cheap her response. But even though I answer now on low voice, the camera won't pick you up, so say it kind of loud.
Alright.
You hear what I'm saying? I need to say that.
No man, are you say? Yeah, just kick her off, Candy.
Okay.
Ready?
As from now on, make it be the first and the last, you say Candy. Is either Miss Candy or Auntie Candy. Me is not size. You hear what me say?
Yes, Miss Candy.
Alright,
after she said that, you can say, alright, come, try again.
Alright, come, try again.
Alright, so I'm going to make sure you get up now.
No, I don't think she have to get up. She can just start the conversation where she wants this. But crap. The way she say it. How you go in a stage, don't go tell her. You know what I want to tell her? That I think. You know what? Alright. You still can't tell her. You're prime, so you still can't say it.
The prime? Yeah.
You're prime, so you still can't say it.
Anyways, I'm really come to
Yes, so Miss Candy. Like how me I'm 16 now. You know some of the things say, I could have one boyfriend.
Or you see somebody where you like.
Somebody had jump.
Well, she see somebody where she like. No, I said that.
She want to have one boyfriend.
Nobody had jump.
No, she not say that.
Come on.
Alright,
What
so
do you think this is?
ready now, go back for it. I wish I could last time, catch.
Yes, Miss Candy.
Right. So now you also to him say, Candy, you can start by saying no, sir. Wait, you know, wait, you say to me. Wait, you say to me now. Ready.
Where's the Alton? What's your name? Tasha. Alright. I didn't know your name. What's this? Alright, tell me the time.
Ready.
Yes, Miss Candy.
By the way, Tasha. Where did you come to me to talk to me about?
Oh.
Cut.
Me not like that part you always say.
Yeah, your son.
Go do it over, Baba.
Like
No, like me name. No, me say like me name no me as you know. I don't want to see what's on there. Me just all said, by the way, Tasha, where did you come to talk to me about? But me just, and then me say about, like me know everything.
By the way, where they are?
Alright, come now. Let's start.
Candy.
Then. Start. By the way, where did you come to talk to me about?
Oh, me did that ask.
Yo, you know, say more low that one, you know. So chat low.
What?
You need to
Remember
speak
you just shout off for me.
Speak loud, say I
No, she can talk loud but not shouting.
Not shouting.
Ready, Alton?
Yeah, ready.
By the way, where did you come to talk to me about?
Oh, when did I ask you if when you first have sex?
Don't be ashamed. Don't be ashamed. No, that if you ask her.
No, that
Man, no, when you ask her.
You can't just ask her so.
No.
So when you also sex?
No.
No,
man, when you ask her, say.
So what sex is the right word.
Well, whatever, but you are coming to Candy and say, so Miss Candy. Like when you're 16 now.
Don't you have a boyfriend?
Me can have one boyfriend? Right.
Ready?
But that not a soft one, but that's still prime.
Ready?
Yeah. But you have to dry come out with that kind of reach.
Already.
Like you can't set him up, you know?
What?
No, like mother, so you want to have sex now? Yeah.
Yeah, you can't do this after.
Hello. Ready?
When you go say yes now, put smile on the face and get serious planning. No.
So start by finding out how many for ask me.
Ready.
Oh yeah, me did for ask you. So now me at 16, don't me can't have a boyfriend?
Boyfriend. How old are you? At 16 you say or 20? Eh?
No, Candy, what was that why you go?
Say it now.
That's
have sex.
So you want to have sex now?
So you want to have sex now?
Yes, I'm going to make you my 20.
No, man. No, we take it from the fence and now I'm 16. Don't go back at age again.
No, Candy can't say it because we can't cut to one.
What?
No, man.
Straight to sex. You want to have sex now?
So that we say we do.
Alright, yeah.
So, and you know, the first time when we did sex could have actually
Why you say what?
No, the last part about Candy said, you how much you're 20 now, that's that.
Just go straight to sex.
Just say.
But when we did step out,
why you feel like
when you start
sex now?
When you first have sex, she could have
No,
literally said,
no wonder.
How much do it?
Ready?
Let's go.
Quanta?
Ready.
Me and a friend together.
Oh, ready.
So you want to have sex now?
No, you want to start.
You want to start to have sex now?
Yeah.
You want to have sex, put in the start.
Say you want to start have sex now, you can sit and wait a later. Then we say you want to have sex now, like you told me today.
Wow.
And then they say,
No.
Ready, let's go.
But I'm never.
No, I know
I take away the mother for your father.
You know what I mean?
Wow.
Come.
What is it?
Ready, Alton?
Ready.
So you want to start have sex now? You're not saying anything?
Yeah.
Yes.
Right, that was all. Just make it big.
Yeah.
I'm very.
Yeah.
Ready. Action McKenna. Come ready.
Ready? So you want to start have sex now? You're not saying nothing?
Yeah.
Yes.
Good.
Can you read it now?
Anytime you come like,
Alright, watch out, stop moving.
I can't say nothing.
Stop moving now.
Let's go now.
Continue say and then yeah.
Can I say nothing?
Yeah.
Yes. You ready to have sex? And that you said to me? Little girl.
Good.
Can you do it me now? Me not need to. You don't really forget it here, man.
Right.
That
Little
big
girl.
time.
Little girl.
Lean back and then go
No,
back.
yes, sit
Oh,
down.
sit up. Little girl. So you want to start having sex now?
No.
You're sexually active?
No.
So when you say you want to have sex, I don't understand because you're just 16.
I asked me, I asked you.
You ask me what it sound like you'll do it already. Are you a virgin?
It is a virgin.
See then now. You don't know what they call virgin and you want to go out there in that world before time. Sex is not for your age. Older than you. Even though sex is for everybody, but not your time yet. You will get pregnant and man will disown your kidney. You can have unprotected sex and catch disease. You understand? Not because me say unprotected sex, you will have disease and get pregnant. That don't mean you have to go use protection and go have sex. You're not ready yet. You understand me? Let me tell you something. You see, if you have some friend at school where they talk about they have them man or them boyfriend and you feel like say you want to have man too, don't bother with it in here. If you feel say show me and your mother, you can get up and go outside and do what you want to do and come back in like some innocent child. And not say go.
Stop, I don't stop.
You buy your probation officer? Huh? Don't make me carry it to them. Hey, you wouldn't like to know where you would reach. You see people them will go to them place there? Them children with your ears they go to them place there, then come back worse than how they go in there. So you need to know yourself. Stop thinking about man and think about your book. Education is the key. And that come first. Unless you want to unwalk it.
Alright, remember,
Let's say
we are.
counseling. You back right there? Hello!
You got some females that are terrified for their father. So my time, most of the time, we can use your trick. So yo, okay, what me tell the father we have connected to him. You know what I mean? Can I use it that way?
You never want it go so deep in counseling then.
You know what I
we can't need the power roll, that's why we never tap him in.
I'm making talk because if we use it, but just give me the next option too.
You right, because you
any panel
raw teaching.
You want to tell your father we are one with. Like we put in the sexual argument. You know if your father's there already. Did you start the conversation saying, you know, mention about your father though?
Not yet.
Your father say, you know, if your father know why you have no boyfriend.
We can dash, we can go down there last week, but get like one 6 or 7 minutes as she and look on Candy because that long conversation needs some interject with fear face. So you give me some facial expression and look on Candy.
So can you remember everything I said?
No, you can't just chat anything you want to, but want the facial expression.
Then after that part there, so it means I say.
And we can talk to her intense, you know. She has sweat, you know. Can you sweat him out?
Up everything.
Alright, so give me back that facial expression then when Candy attack you so we can see your face. But sometimes you have all the hand in your mouth, you know. They go to
like, yeah. Think go in there and say, hi.
Ready. I just want to talk some things, Candy. Ready?
Listen to me now. You're not an adult, you're a child. And then time for you to have sex yet. Sex is for everybody, but it's not your time. You understand? Me say if you understand. Don't shake your head after me. Okay. And let me tell you something. You see, if your friend them were outside or with you and them go to school, you hear them a chat, me a man or me a boyfriend, nobody with it. It's not
that's good enough. Alright, so let's go to the last part of the play that I tell about Candy. I was saying now. Can join back to the last part, the way I say. You find out if he introduce you saying. So dash all that out of your brain. Or maybe you just say twice, listen. If you ever come to me no argument like this, go good.
Again.
No, you find out way if you say it now way where you say you are telling father. So you come to me in an argument, Come here and tell you what I tell your father.
I asked him, so
you want to wait for people to make you sound like a giant to the last part.
Yeah, but giant teeth, so.
Just need to
when I say, we'll talk about go back to the counseling, and then you take it from dust and say, did you talk to your father about this?
Okay.
And when the father come later, whether we choose to and discuss this now. Because it's not normal. And if I say, yes, I said no, so you can't go to the shop. It's alright, you do go pan the road, you don't left man, you have things to do, you don't know, but keep it yourself.
So I just go straight into it and say,
yeah, since that sound like Jan just said to him, say, I said, you did tell your father about dead bodies?
I think that we sure we should slow and talk about this.
Right, but this son,
too much.
Too much fishy, I don't know. I already know all that, but this time I don't shoot see me cross shoulder, but I want to tie that shot at candy face.
Right.
Yes, man.
yeah.
I don't have your TV so that like TV you have work on yes man TV.
Yup, yeah, man.
And yes, like I you are run down there. Alright. Go ahead. I'm close about it.
You talk about me and him and your father, man.
No, let's go straight into it, man. Yeah, I said, ask her, I said, if you tell your father about this.
You did mention this to your father? No. Well, this too rough for me alone deal with. Me need to talk to your father, so the three of we are going to talk.
No, Miss Candy, please, don't tell me.
Cut.
You can say, no, Miss Candy, never don't have sex. Put it up, never don't have sex. Every time. Can't cut it, I can't close it. And when they say, anyway, never go up and do it, something like that. Can you touch what can?
Ready? You did mention this to your father? No. No. Well, this too rough for me alone, David. It makes sense me talk to your father. No. Wait, me make my mistake. I sure we ever talk to your father. And he not go agree. Sorry. Sorry, man. Because I try to find out something so different. Lima. Stop. You did mention this to your father?
No.
No. This too rough for me alone, David. Me and your father are going to talk about this.
No, Miss Candy. Miss Candy, you never want sex.
You never want sex?
More dark kitchen, boy.
You sure?
Yeah.
More dark. Oh, sure.
More dark kitchen. Sure. We don't
More dark kitchen, how do you just?
Come out of the kitchen.
More dark kitchen.
Yo. Come out of the kitchen.
For sure. Saffron for sure.
You're going to beat you.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
You don't want to have sex? Oh, sure you be?
Sure.
You say the next time you come to me with them the kind of argument there, make sure say you have it in your head, say me and you and your father will talk about this. Because you don't reach your age yet, I know you're thinking about sex already. Anyway, I go on the road and make sure say you stay in the yard and stop call them friend because I don't know what they might tell you saying what you tell them saying on to Jim and I'm going to make your father take away phone from you. To outside that. Right.
Fix 35 lens, people. I want to recommend that for the facial thing, but it's whatever. Like for the third close-up shots. John, done. No, pause that. No music, pal.
No, understand, so when shooting is going on, no noise not supposed to be.
I feel so then done.
But I'm not sure.
Shut the hell up. They need this to post it.
Hello. Happy to stay in house.
Happy to. When you're shooting now, I'm going to try and play everything on one play.
But shooting done.
Stop your eyes.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah.
I just said I'm not ready for sex. Don't send it up around here. Then that's why you have to watch that make you want to about sex. But just not watch it. So you're not watching enough time, so why you come out about sex? Send you.
Just send the email. I will
Yeah,
get
you
back
are
to
talking
some.
to the same stuff. You see you?
Send to you.
So how come I don't know, Papa?
Huh?
Nah, take no part, nah, move it to them.
No, I mean,
How do I name?
what's going on in my house?
Okay. If I could have killed, know who did long time. Mr. Lawrence.